what they said about women, what women are. Here is a beautiful book that I like so much to use. And let us go and open this following book. Look, this is fiqh, sharia. Okay? This book is called غذاء الألباب شرح منظومات الأذهاب volume 2 الجزء الثاني. غذاء الألباب شرح منظومات الأذهاب volume 2. You see, brother, we dissected his whole religion. We know all the books. As you see.
Wahnsinn. Seht ihr, Lieben, das bleibt uns alles verborgen. Wir können nicht in die Quellen reingehen wie er, um das ganze Blödsinn da rauszuholen.
Yeah. Of this book, page 210, 210 in Arabic, 210, okay? We scroll up, we find the following information. That the scholar said that there are 8 types of animals, al-haywanat, 8 types of them, that can menstruate. Tahid, menstruate. And he starts with a woman. A woman, a hyena, a bat, rabbit, female dog. So in other words, guys, there are 8 animals who can menstruate in Islam. Among them is what?
A woman, ja, also sie wird als Tier betrachtet. Seht ihr? Ihr Frauen im Islam werdet wie als Tiere betrachtet. Das ist doch nicht mehr normal, Mann.
They are not humans in Islam. Women are not humans. Anybody who tells you that women in Islam are humans, they are lying. They are animals.